So I want all of you who have joined to hold the hands, but slightly together, slightly at a distance like this. And then start to work with the energy of praying. So I want you to be holding hands like this at a slight distance, focusing into any symbol of God over out here in the center of your third eye. Then feeling Om, any symbol, any vibration. Om, you can go with Om. Namo, opening your heart. In Shivai, let this energy be accumulated in the palm of the hand. We're going to be doing it together, and I'm going to be doing it with each one of you. So the exercise is very simple. It's a combination of praying and energy. So Galit, visualize Tritiglas Om, Om, Dok, Sersa Trivatsa Cheresersa, Prямо на ладони, между ладонями, визуализировать золотой шарик. Своей энергии любви. You have to visualize your own energy of the heart, which is infinite energy, not from yourself, flowing from the heart, and you'll feel a small magnetic ball or energy so that the hands don't really touch each other. The hands are the palms are at a distance. Whatever it is, it doesn't have to be big, it's as long as you feel. And then just imagine that it's becoming a golden ball. And keep on then. Om Namo Shivaya. Every time that the meditation, the prayer, the energy goes through us, it cleans us up. And opening our heart releases the infinite amount of energy that we have been holding in our hand. We have been holding it in our heart, actually. Our heart, which was meant to be giving and giving and giving and giving and giving love, has actually become a storehouse of pain, fear, anger. This will happen, that will happen. All sorts of thoughts have become housed in our heart. So Marina, once more for you. In this Om in the center of the forehead. Om. Namo, opening your heart and then letting the energy flow from your two hands to your palms. Ladoni mezdu ladoni. Ladoni mezdu ladoni malin ke rastanis to be ashishata tazalato isharik soeji energy lupi. This energy which is being generated. Okay, Larissa is also joining now. Om Namo Shivaya. Om Namo Shivaya. Om Namo Shivaya. So Om, Cherestriti glass from the third eye, you take in energy. Namo, your heart is opening with the falling of that energy. Когда энергия доходит до сердца, сердце открывается, становится океаном любви. Your heart, the moment this energy of Om touches the heart becomes infinite love. From this storehouse, oh, I was in this pain, this happened, that happened. All those emotions and thoughts are in the heart. They originated in the head, but we keep those painful things in our heart. So right now the heart is opening up and becoming an ocean. And then Shiva, when all that infinity of love, let it flow through the hands into the palms, hold the palms, almost touching each other. Vejite obal ladone kak put bliska kak namaste no base prikasnavenia visualize zalato ishara, imagining a golden ball or bowl. Oh. Namo Shiva. Om Namo Shiva. Om Namo. Dula, the technique is that focusing in the center of the forehead. When I say Om, imagine Om over out there or Allah, whatever you call. Om, gently breathe in the energy. Namo, when it strikes the heart transmutes from a storehouse of all the things that we keep, all the emotions. Oh, I need more love, I need this and that. That storehouse becomes an open. The storehouse is just a small room, which is heart. And with Om, it opens to become an infinity of ocean of love. And that's the magic that will happen. And Namo, when it expands, then when I say Shivaya, your hands, let the energy from your heart be directed to the palms of your hand so that you hold the hands like this that I'm doing. And in a slightly different, like there's a small distance, whatever the distance is, so that you feel the magnetic energy of this love energy from your heart flowing to the palms of your hand. And just holding it there, the two hands are also asking God for three things now. With our hands, Sadnashimi Rukami Vatakoi Pozitsi, mi prosim Selene, mi prosim Boga, mi prosim Sibya. We are asking God, we are asking universe, we are asking ourselves, may I become an instrument, may I become an energy of love, serving others unconditionally. I want to be used by this energy of love. I want to be used. You are not using the energy, you let yourself be used by this energy of love. That is the trick. Everyone who starts to, I am an energy master, I treat, I manage, I did this, they cannot evolve. When you say to the energy, which is God, I want to be a servant. Когда у вас эго убирается, и вы говорите этой энергии, любви, Богу, я хочу быть твоим инструментом распространения дивной энергии любви, радости и ясности. Тогда вы отличаетесь. Большинство людей, most of the people who are doing healing and energy, they are saying, I am doing this, I did this. And every time you say I, it keeps on going down. So right now you're making a contract with the universe. Сейчас вы заключаете контракт со Вселенной. Я твой слуг, чтобы служить другим. You are signing a contract of energy with the universe. I am going to be serving you. I am your servant, oh energy of love, which is God. I am your servant, and I'm going to be spreading this love, light, and laughter unconditionally, without money, without any expectation. This will happen. I will look good. I will look bad. Oh, Namo Shiva. Борис и Женя, мы сделаем одно упражнение, но там есть маленький twist, и все по-другому. There is only one small twist. Sitting, focusing on the third eye as we usually do, drawing an Om over out there, breathing in Om, Namo, taking it to your heart, so that with Om, the heart, which was the storehouse of all these memories, past, present, and future, and emotions, which had become a locked room, because that's what emotions and thoughts do. They create these walls. With Om, these walls are shattered and your heart becomes an ocean. When your heart is an ocean, You let the infinity of energy flowing out from the heart to the palms of your hand. Yes, and not let the hands touch, just like I'm doing. And right now, each one of you individually signs a contract. I am just a translator or a catalyst, but you have to individually sign a contract with God directly, with the energy of God directly. That the energy, the contract is like this, not me, which means my ego, name, etc. I want to serve as your instrument, as your servant. Я хочу служить как твоим инструментом, как раба любви. Дивный. Безусловно. I want to serve unconditionally. This energy of love which is flowing through. Это энергия, которая льется и распространяется через меня. And now hold your hands and feel the energy as you say, not me, but I don't want to be managing this energy. I don't own this energy. It's not mine to sell or give or what, but I am becoming an instrument in the hands of the universe, also known as God. And with Om Namo Shivaya, sign that contract. With Om Namo Shivaya, each one of you is signing your contract with Ameen, Allah. Om Namo Shivaya. Om Namo Shivaya. Your hands are also together. You're asking God to be made his servant so that your ego is not there. So we vashe tashislavne yani bilavi, we prosite Bogu, prosite satkrit, sa rukami, sa prosbe, sa namaste, что вы ваша жизнь, ваше дыхание, ваши мысли, ваша энергия, ваши поступки были бы употреблены Вселенным, Богом, чтобы помочь другим. You are asking God that all your energy of breathing, thinking, acts, results, you're offering it to the universe from which you got it. We got it from the universe and we are saying what? We'll give it back to you, we'll serve you. That's all. It's not ours. This body is not ours. These thoughts are not ours. This intellect is not really ours. We borrowed it in the planet. So what is it that we are giving? In some ways, we are not giving nothing, but we are making an offering. Мы пожертвуем собой, чтобы стать инструментом. В течение следующих 5 minutes, everyone in the next 5 minutes is going to be imagining that they are signing this contract to become pure angels, spreading love, light, and laughter unconditionally, not caring for your own body, mind, or intellect, or the thoughts or the ideas in your head, or what you want to do or what you don't want to do. But you're going to be becoming, and you will feel this magnetic ball of golden light in the palms of your hand. So imagine that you are signing a contract and saying to the energy of God, I want to be your servant. I want to be your instrument. I want to be your servant. I want to be your instrument. I want to be your servant. I want to be your instrument. Unconditional, unconditional, unconditional. Я хочу служить Вселенной. Я твой инструмент. Я твой раб. Я распространяю любовь, радость, ясность, безусловно. Я распространяю любовь, радость, ясность, безусловно. Я распространяю любовь, радость, ясно. I am spreading love, light, and laughter unconditionally, unconditionally, unconditionally. Om Namo Shivaya. 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 Send the healing love to Chi who needs it. Om Namo Shivaya. Om Namo. From your heart, it's going to your hands. From your hands and hearts, it's going to Chi. Om Namo Shivaya. To Christina, whose family is having problems. Om Namo Shivaya. So that the husband and wife are in harmony for the sake of the children. Om Namo Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. To Victor and Nadia, who's Victor, father and daughter, and the father has got cancer. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. To whoever is in your life that you feel that they should be, send to them your love. Om. There are three ways to send always love. Imagine that they're receiving the golden light from your hand and heart. Imagine that they're smiling and laughing and well. Offer to them your prayers. Om Namo Shivaya. Our Father which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, will be done on heaven as in earth. On this day give us our daily bread and forgive our trespasses as we forgive those that trespass against us. Lead us from temptation, deliver us from the power of the Lord. Now heal yourself also. See yourself as pure golden light, accepting the diseases which come due to age, which we cannot escape, but softening them, making them soft, and letting go of these diseases caused by stress, which is caused by not believing in God. Oh. See yourself radiant and golden, able to manage and face your life no matter what happens. No matter what happens to the body, your soul is smiling. No matter what happens to the mind, your soul is smiling. No matter what thoughts suffer or happen or don't happen, your heart is smiling. Your soul is smiling. Bless yourself with this superpower. Send love to Dula, who needs it to manage her direction in life and clarity. Om Namah Shivaya. To Larissa, who is still working with her diseases. To Eugenia, so that she has harmony in her personal and professional life. Boris, who has clarity about his work, his health. Marina and her sons. Preeti and relationships. Gale is the role. Tammy feels harmony in her life and can help her son. Bless yourself so that no matter what happens, you are spreading love, light, and laughter. Sign your contract with the universe so that you will spread love, light, and laughter no matter what happens to the body, mind, or intellect. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Bless yourself and do this exercise as much as you can. Focusing on the third eye, opening heart, and do it with prayer. Om Namah Shivaya or Amin or Allah. Opening your heart with the prayer, taking the energy as a golden ball to your palms and spreading it. And you can use it to help yourself. And if someone lets you touch them in their spine or head, you can use this energy to heal them, but always flowing through your heart, not from you, but through your heart. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.